Hi folks, today in the Elm's Slack's beginner channel I came across something which I found interesting, and I wanted to share that with you. So this has to do with the forward pipe operator. So if you're not familiar with the forward pipe operator, then it works something like this. Here I'm using JSON decoding library, and the output of this is input to the next line, and the output of this statement, this line, is input to this, and so on and so forth. So this makes composing the functionality much easier, and the result of the last statement is input to the next statement. Okay, so now with that in mind, if you are already familiar with forward pipe operator, then this will make sense to you. So let's say that I want to do something like list dot, let me increase the font, list dot repeat 3 times. I want to do hello. So I got hello 3 times, nothing surprising about it. However, the person who asked the question in the Slack channel wanted to do something like this. The person wanted to have this number coming up from somewhere else, and in the Elm REPL it will not look nice, but in the real world it will be a line below this, and he wanted to do something like this: list dot repeat hello. So before I hit enter, you can already see the problem. The problem is that because of the pipe operator, the value 3 is the last parameter. So here the parameter is the other way around. So let's hit enter, and we see the type mismatch. That's because list.repeat is expecting int value to be here and then the hello. So how do we fix the problem? Of course, he can create another function where the order is reversed, but rather than creating another function, Elm, being functional programming language, supports a trick, and the trick is of another function called flip, and flip does exactly what we would have created another function for. It flips the order of parameters. So in this case, if I do flip before, then what it's saying that that the other parameter n that you are expecting here, that would be coming here, that will be put before hello. So let's try that, and that worked. So basically we can look at the flip documentation, but flip orders the functions parameters. So that's good. But then somebody else jumped in and showed another style, which was once again very interesting and quite a learning experience for me. So right now here we can do something like forward operator, but we can create an anonymous function. So we can create an anonymous function and start something like this: n is the number, and then what we can do now, we can go back to the old style, repeat n and then hello. So if we do this function, so here notice what's happening. First let's run it, we got the right result, but here we are creating a function, and to that function we are passing 3 as a parameter, and we are able to achieve what was the original objective, which was to use the pipe operator. This may not be the intent of what the person was asking, but these 2 solutions were presented in the Slack, and I just wanted to capture that because that was a learning experience for me. That's it. Thank you.